Here's how to fix Google Messages RCS if it's not working on your new phone. First, you need to try clearing the cache and data. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, you need to simply go ahead and search for Messages application. Search for Messages and go to the Messages app info. Scroll down, tap on storage, and then click on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. After that, you can try restarting your phone and re-enable RCS. Open Google Messages, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Message Settings that you will find below your data and messages. Tap on General. And here you'll get the RCS chats option. Simply go ahead and turn off the RCS chats if it's turned on. Then restart your phone again. After restart, go back to Google Messages, go to Message Settings and RCS Chats and turn RCS Chats back on. This should definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.